Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest how-to guides for 2025. Today, we're diving into how to cancel your Soundcloud subscription, 2025. If you're tired of the monthly fees or just want to free up some cash, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. First off, why cancel? SoundCloud's great for music lovers, but with so many streaming options out there, it's easy to oversubscribe. Let's get started. Make sure you're logged into your SoundCloud account on a web browser. It's the most reliable way for this. Step 1. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is your hub for all account changes. Step 2. In the Settings page, scroll down to the Subscription or Billing section. It's usually under a tab labeled Account or Payments. Step 3. Once you're there, look for an option that says Manage Subscription. Click on it to see your current plan details. Step 4. You'll see a button or link to Cancel Subscription. Hit that, and SoundCloud might prompt you with a survey asking why you're leaving. Feel free to answer or skip it. Step 5. Review the cancellation details, then confirm. That's it. Your subscription will typically end at the close of your current billing cycle, so check your email for confirmation. A quick tip for 2025. If SoundCloud has updated their interface, double-check for any new prompts, as platforms evolve. Also, remember that canceling won't delete your account or your uploaded tracks, so you can always come back later. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Drop a comment if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.